Welcome to FX Street. Today we're going to be talking about Crypto.com undergoing a short fade before popping above 53 cents. But before we dive deep into the technicals, please make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Twitter at FX Street Crypto to be updated on the hottest trends in the cryptocurrency market. As said, we've already mentioned the upward targets, and that is of course this 61.8% Fibonacci level. It coincides with 53 cents, give or take, but price action seems to be moving a little bit to the downside, which is first of all quite logic, as global markets have been front-running any relief the past few days. So all in all, investors were positioned for a rally and have taken profit now that the good news has unfolded. So it's quite a normal move to see. It's what we call buy the rumor, sell the fact. So buy the rumor. And last week, several hints were coming out on Twitter, for example, on peace plans and etc. And then yesterday with the meeting, the unfolding of the confirmation of that news. So investors rushed in to take profit, and that's the move that we see today. Expect to see a little bit more of this. Probably we see a full pairing back of that all the way to this green ascending trend line, but that then will only mean that from there, let me put this a little bit better. So that makes more sense. But from there, expect then the other way around with a nice bounce off, and that should attract plenty of buyers, plenty of bulls to build new momentum and punch through the 61.8 Fibonacci level towards 53 cents. And that will coincide with roughly 18% of gains. So expect that to be unfolding in the coming days. So in the meantime, sit and wait. Either wait for a break with new highs to go to the 63 cents, or wait for the pullback towards the monthly pivot and the green ascending trend line. Risk to the downside, of course, is that this fade enlarges, opens up a window for bears to push further to the downside. Then we would see a slip or a breakthrough rather, and then of course this will go all the way back to that 37 cents handle, which will then be a full mounting loss of roughly 15-16%. So something to bear in mind. So once price action falls back a bit to this trend line, it will either be a perfect setup for a bounce off, or if it breaks and it slips further below the 43 cents here, then you get confirmation that something is broken, and possibly bears will try to push price action further down all the way to 37 cents. That could be, for example, by Friday, if the NFPs show a massive inflow of jobs and wages are rising together with living costs, for example. That would mean that the Fed would need to hike even quicker and even more in the next coming meetings. So that might ripple a bit of risk off throughout the markets on Friday. So bear that in mind. That's it for Crypto.com. Coins price action today. Please remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Twitter at FX Street Crypto.